Oh, Kristin's down! Kristin's down! So today we're going to be using the Solo Stove Ranger to cook outside. We've had it for a little while now, and what we get to do actually is, because it has a griddle that can just go just above the flame. So check this out. So this little guy fits perfectly in the van. To give you perspective, you know, it's not super big, you know, like maybe 18 inches tall, and then you can get this griddle for it, which has a little platform, and you can cook on it. Super easy to use. One of the quote-unquote downsides of this Solo Stove is that you have to use smaller pieces of wood. So I don't know if that's really a downside. All you really have to do is just chop your wood small. So I guess some people might not like that. I like it a lot. It makes it so that our wood goes a lot longer. So I'll leave that up to you. But yeah, let's get going.
How long this takes to boil.
Well, we just made it here to Thunder Mountain Bikes, and we're going to pick up our mountain bikes for the day.
Woohoo!
Which is super exciting because Kristin's about to show me up, because I'm a terrible mountain biker and she is
Pretty good. So I'm excited to kick his butt going downhill, getting that gorgeous Red Rock view the whole time, and just enjoying our day.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty fun. So before we drag this on too long, let's get going.
What's about to happen?
Well, we just got here. We just got our mountain bikes. We look rad, as always. And now what are we about to go do?
Do a little roundabout.
We're going to do roundabout.
A little roundabout on some red rocks.
Yeah, because I'm a beginner, so we're starting off with that green circle. I hope when Kristin's leading, she doesn't take us down the Black Diamond. That's a turnoff, because I'd be terrible and I might die. Lord. Oh no.
Take video.
Get it, get it, get it. Chug, 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 chug. Yeah. Why is mountain biking so hard? Who would have thought?
It's a whole different cardio.
Jeez, oh Pete. It's definitely nothing like swimming surfing, or rock climbing.
Let's get some brews.
Oh gosh. All right. We don't even know where we are either. Yeah, we stopped. Some people were like, you're about to go up a really hard climb. They're like, you should just turn around. So we turned around and we still don't know where we are. Whew. All right, well, time to keep going. Oh, Kristin's down. Kristin's down. You okay? What went down?
I just slid out.
Oh, you okay though?
Yeah, it's just hate.
First wipe out. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's not a mountain bike ride unless you fall. My elbow hurts.
Yeah, you got a little boo-boo. You're fine though.
I just hit the bone, so it just...
Oh, I hit the funny bone?
Yeah.
Was it funny?
No.
What?
It wasn't funny.
Come on.
Your turn.
Hopefully not. Take two. She's gonna record me on this GoPro instead.
Try my best. Bye-bye.
But I might be too fast. All right, let's go.
Ow. I can't go there. High five. Ew, you're so sick. Center.